What's good, YouTube? So today, I know first of all, I'll explain later. That's all I'm gonna say. I'll explain later. But today, I actually have content for you guys, and I wanna, do it with y'all. So give me 1 second so I can quiet my kids down, and I'll be back. Okay, now that I can try to get them quiet. So if nobody know, I go by the name of Nikki the Hippie. Y'all see how I look right now? I'm home, I'm comfortable, I'm minding my business. You should do the same. Don't worry about how I look. It's about the content. So anyway, so here I go strolling on my little Instagram, and or was it Facebook? I don't know. It was either Facebook or Instagram. One of them. It was on Facebook or Instagram. And I'm like strolling because I always like go through both of them anyway. So either one of those. But I'm strolling. And Facebook be acting like they know you because of that little cross, whatever. Cross acting. So they be acting like they know you and they know I like the snack and stuff. So they was like, something about some snack crate. And I'm like, keep passing. I'm like, man, Then I actually seen a clip of a video, and I was like, I mean, she acting like it's good or something. And so supposedly, it's supposed to be like snacks from over the world, or like whatever I guess you decide to choose from. And I think I chose like African snacks or whatever. But I was like, I always wanna YouTube, but I really don't be having time. But now I got time. I really don't got the time, but I got time. So, I've been waiting because, I'm a big back by nature, and, so I'm like, all right, let me get the thing. And then it was supposed to come and be here last Thursday, and now it is a Monday. It's Monday. And it's here. But either way, it's here. So we are about to try these snacks. So here it is. Snack crate. I thought it was gonna be in a blue box, but it's brown, so I'm down. I don't have a box cutter. I'm using a red tail cone. But we about to try these snacks, y'all. I'm always doing something. That's why having social media, you know what I'm saying, can get you in trouble because you just end up just buying everything. And stuff you don't need. So, my snacks are from, okay, yeah, so this was the box. I thought it was going to be a little cute little blue block box that they had online or whatever. But, it is what it is. I'm down for the brown. So, it's saying that my snacks is from Indonesia. Okay, and it come with, like, little information about Indonesia. Or whatever. And I guess the top 10 songs in Indonesia. That's kind of neat. The top movies. You got a little word search. Okay, y'all. So I'm guessing this is the stuff that's going to be inside of it. Perhaps. I don't know. But yeah. So this is a snack, y'all. I'm just ready to just dig in. And I got a soda, I think, to go with it. So, and I'm going to give y'all my honest opinion. Some people be on her capping. And she, her, I'm not that girl. So let's get with it. So the first one that popped up is called Chitato or Chitato, I don't know. Chitato. See, I ain't doing all them takes, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, so it's just gonna be a long sentence. Boy, okay. It is worldwide when you first open it. Chip taste. I mean, it's chip bag and it smell like, y'all know what it smell like. Okay, let me see. This is what it look like, y'all. A chitato. Okay, let's give it Ruffles. Let's give it Ruffles. Sour cream and onion. Let's give it Ruffles. Let me get this a 10 out of 10. Indonesia. Ruffles. Good. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. This is good. Especially on one of them nights. Alright. I need some water because I can't keep. Let me, hold on, y'all. Back. Alright, make some water because, honey, all of a sudden I had cotton mouth. Let me twin that. I'm sorry, I'm one of them loud drinkers. Woo! Alright. Next one is another one. It's called Potabe. It says salted egg. So I guess it's salted egg flavored chips. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Let's see. That smell ain't. I don't like that smell. I don't like that smell. That's what it look like. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now. Okay. Hold on now. Okay, they got me there. That's 10 out of 10. This is good. Okay, salted egg, girl. That's good. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10, Tim. I like that. I misjudged it by the smell and the name. All right, the next one is called, and then, listen, I don't know the language. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna guess the names, and it's just gonna be what it is. Y'all so smart. Comment it down below what it really is. I don't know. And there ain't no shade or none of that. This is macado sticks. Macado. But it's a salsa sauce tomato. So it's tomato ketchup flavor. They look like little fries. I know I'm getting tired of ripping this bag. These bags. That smell like ketchup. I don't know. I like ketchup chips, y'all. I like ketchup chips. You know how you got stuff all the fries from McDonald's and myself? Let me see. I don't think I like this one too much. I can see where they was trying to go with it. I don't like that one. I wasn't a fan of that. I'm gonna get it out of 10. Cause I see where it could have been, but it wasn't there. I'm gonna get that a 4. That was a 4 out of 10. All right. I'm trying to get all the chips out the way. All right. Cutello. Sing Kong. It's a balada rasa. So balado spicy flavor. Ooh, I like me some spicy chips. All right, let's see what y'all working with. I like me a spicy chip. Listen, I use my fingers all day at work. Like, it's so hard to open these bags right now. I always smell stuff before I eat. No, it smells like the ketchup chip. All right, let's see. Them ketchup chips, I don't like them that. Ooh. Ooh. That's a lot going on. I was trying to eat it again so I could tell y'all. I don't know what kind of chip these are. Is it even potato? I don't even think that's potato. Ain't giving potato. But this is spicy. Tastes like honey. Little garlic. And they all come at a certain time. Like, they be salty, then they're sweet, then they get hot. And that hot is hot. It's like a sweet heat kind of thing, but that heat is heating. I don't like this. I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 10. But if you like spicy chips, y'all might like this. I don't know. I just don't like the texture of the actual chip, I guess. I don't like it. Taro nuts. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that P word, but you know, feel free. You know, seaweed seed. That's my daughter like that seaweed stuff. gonna be so hot. How I think you listen? I'll tell you what, them chips gonna be fresh. Okay, I don't smell like seaweed, but it look like little checks. Because the more I eat them, like, it is good. They good. I give this 10 out of 10. I kind of taste seaweed, but I kind of don't. Maybe that kind of don't is what's turning me on a little bit. But it's good, y'all. It do taste like chest mix. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, that's what it tastes like a cheesy chest mix. I like it. That's a 10 out of 10. I'm trying to make sure I got all the chips, y'all. It's a lot in here. I'm gonna have to do a part 2 because I'm gonna I gotta save some space and whatever. So I'm gonna do one more, and then we're gonna get to the sweet shit. And I'm gonna do a part 2 because it's a lot in here. All right, this is called Tic Tac Casanova snack. That's not what it said, Casanova. Caspa. I don't know. Well, yeah, basically it's chicken onion flavored chips. Tic Tac. There's one in my eye. All right. Y'all see that? Let's try it. I thought I was going to give that popcorn melt in your mouth. It's hard. It don't taste like chicken either. It tastes like garlic powder. A little bit of salt. Now, when you finally get it to melt, which you don't, but after you chew it, it do taste good. But I'm gonna give it a 5 because the flavor is good, but it's just so hard. I feel like I was crunching ice. All right, so if y'all made it past, if you made it to this point of the video, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in and trying these snacks from Indonesia with me. I'm gonna end this right here because I have a whole lot in this box and I need to make a part 2. So with all that said and done, thank y'all. Subscribe to my channel because I will be on here a lot more. And I know I'm a new kid on the block, but you know, subscribe and share my page to people. It's more to come. Plenty more to come. Y'all see me in my rawest, my most vulnerable stage, whatever you want to say. Because I'm just getting off of work. It is what it is. And I've just been wanting to make videos on my page for forever. So, you know, here's content. You're welcome. Say no. But, yeah, you know, and if you're feeling a kid, then feel free to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share my page. Share my video. Show love.